Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I know is a long-awaited video because I did my dry skin video I think like a week ago, and so now I am recording my everything that you need to know about oily skin.
And it goes a little something like.
So for starters, what oily skin is it's the overproduction of sebum in the sebaceous glands. These sebaceous glands can be located under the surface of the skin. How to know that you have oily skin? That your skin will appear shiny, it'll appear glossy. Even when you have like makeup on, you'll know that you have like a little gloss to your skin. You'll have large pores mostly here, but honestly you'll have large pores on your cheeks and your chin as well, because when you have oily skin, it's all over the face. Sometimes you'll be more acne prone, you'll have blackheads. Now, I'm not going to go into acne prone skin in this video, but acne prone skin is very, like, it works alongside having oily skin. A lot of the times if you have oily skin, you probably have acne prone skin, or you get cysts or papules on the face. I do want to do like a whole skin conditions video, so like dehydrated skin, sensitive skin, and acne prone skin, because those everyone thinks are kind of like a skin type, but they more so just go alongside skin types. But yeah, this video is going to be just about oily skin. So like my dry skin video, oily skin products that you should be looking for every time you go to the drugstore or you go to Sephora, so you should be looking for salicylic acid, niacinamide, retinol. Koalin clay is really good as well. For example, I'm going to go a little into what salicylic acid is. Salicylic acid is a BHA. And what a BHA is it's a beta hydroxy acid. And what a beta hydroxy acid is, oil soluble, which means it can get deeper into the pores than some other products could. And basically what it does is it removes dead skin cells and excess oils in these pores. So salicylic acid, for example, works by breaking and kind of loosening the attachment between cells, which is basically the movement of exfoliation. That's basically what exfoliation is it's breaking the attachment of these cells, kind of breaking them down a little bit to exfoliate the skin. It encourages exfoliation and it unclogs the pores. So that's what salicylic is best good for. And then there's niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin C3. And what niacinamide does is it bolsters the skin barrier to stimulate natural collagen. The natural collagen, which then in turn strengthens the outer layer to renew new cells and help reverse the appearance of larger pores. So when you reduce the appearance of larger pores, that's very a positive thing for people with oily skin, because then it'll help actually produce less oil as well. Now, another thing, which is just, this is more like in masks, is if you have oily skin, you should always be looking for koalin clay, because koalin clay will help mattify the skin and it'll help kind of just like dry it out a little bit, but not too much. Now, another thing that you might be like, I thought retinol is like only for like anti-aging. But no, retinol is so good to look for when you're looking for products, because retinol works similar as niacinamide. Because anything that basically strengthens the skin is going to help keep the pores tighter, and if it helps keep the pores tighter, it's going to produce less oil. And you can't really ever like permanently shrink pores really, but what you could do is you help clear them out. And especially with like extractions, when you get facials done, if you help kind of clear out those pores, it'll visually make them look smaller, and when you clear them out, it'll help produce less oils as well. So that's a positive. Like with dry skin, I said this with dry skin as well, it goes the same with oily skin. Anything of these that you do too much will strip your skin. So as much as you're like, oh, the salicylic acid cleanser is so good and I want to use it like 3 times a day, all it's gonna do is it's gonna strip the skin barrier, and once you do that, your skin's just gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm so like dehydrated, so they're just gonna produce more oil. And that's what you do not want. Is the last thing you need is more oil on the skin. Now, just to throw in a little positive, oily skin, the one benefit that's just like so good is that oily skin ages less. So because you're using all these products to help produce more collagen and your skin looks so glowy and dewy, your skin's going to age less and the appearance of wrinkles is going to be like so much less than people with dry skin, because when we have dry skin, our skin is so tight and it's flaky and it's just, it loses its bounce, and that can force the skin to just kind of look crepey and dry. But oily skin will never look dull. It'll always look glossy, and honestly, that's the one plus about having oily skin, is you age less. That is it for the products that I personally recommend. I mean, there's so much out there that is just so good for oily skin, but these are like very important ones to always just keep in mind. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and stay tuned for more videos because I plan on doing lots of videos like this. And if you guys just like to see what I do on the day-to-day, I also post vlogs, so don't forget to check those out as well. But I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.